It's back! Digital Workplace Day 2021, a day-long celebration of those who are rebuilding work for the digital age. What's happening this year? Ideas from 100+ leaders on how they are rebuilding productivity, leadership, collaboration, culture, technology. For 2022, win hourly prizes, live panels debating the future of work. Sheila Subramanian, Vice President, Future Forum at Slack. Darren Murph, Head of Remote at GitLab. Erica Dewan, Leading Authority on Collaboration and Innovation. David Heinemeier Hansen, Co-founder of Basecamp and Hey. Bill Taylor, Entrepreneur and Innovator, Co-founder Fast Company. Join us on November 1st for #Digital Workplace Day and start rebuilding work for the digital age.